So I did something that has completely changed my YouTube strategy. I hired an expert on Fiverr to help me optimize my channel for SEO. And admittedly, my goals with this expert were pretty ambitious. So I had three main goals. One, hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, to have my videos pop up on the YouTube homepage, and for my videos to rank in search. And I knew that I would need a professional to help me get to the next level. So today I'm going to share all the things that this SEO expert taught me. So all the mistakes that I was making and the exact strategies that they implemented to help my channel grow. And thank you to Fiverr for sponsoring today's video. And I wanted to partner with Fiverr because I wanted to quickly hire an SEO expert. So if you need tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel, stay tuned because this video is going to be very helpful. So some context about me. I have been a content creator for over 10 years at this point, which is sounds weird to say out loud, but it has been over 10 years. And this year, my channel has grown a lot. If you know, you know. At the beginning of this year, I had around 12,000 subscribers, and as of now, have around 57,000 subscribers. So it's definitely seen a lot of growth this year, but I want it to keep growing. And so my main goals for working with this Fiverr SEO specialist were three things. One, to reach 100,000 subscribers. That silver play button is calling my name. It's calling me. I'm just waiting for it. Okay. And it's special to me because it represents this huge milestone for creators, and it opens up so many new doors and so many new opportunities. Second, I want my videos to appear on the YouTube homepage. And when that happens, that means that YouTube is recommending your comment, and it means that the algorithm trusts you and you're going to reach a massive new audience. Third, I want my videos to show up in search, and not just show up, but I want them to dominate search results. Anytime someone is searching for a topic that I cover, I want to be something that immediately pops up. And when your videos show up first in search, that's where that consistent long-term growth happens on YouTube. And that is where the money is. So this is why I chose to work specifically with Fiverr. I needed expertise fast, and I didn't want to go the route of trying to research or find some type of marketing agency. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace, and it has all different types of experts, people who can help you with your YouTube SEO, that's what I needed, but also if you needed thumbnail design, literally anything that you could need for your business, you can find it on Fiverr. And I really love how easy the platform is to use and how easy it is to find what you're looking for. They have these filtering options, so you can filter by the budget that you have. You can filter by the delivery time, so how quickly you need the results. You can also filter by the seller level. And you can also read the reviews for each freelancer, and that can help you decide if you want to work with that particular freelancer. And while trying to find the right YouTube SEO expert, I was able to see the different results that other creators got by working with this specialist, and that helped me feel a lot more confident about working with them. So here's how I found them. I went on Fiverr and I searched for YouTube SEO, and there were a lot of different options. And like I said before, I just used the filters to narrow it down based on the things that I needed. So I based it on a certain budget. I said I needed a really quick delivery time because I wanted to see the results as quickly as possible. And also the seller level, I wanted someone who was a professional, someone that I could trust, someone with proven experience. And from there, I was looking at different freelancers, and I really like their review system because it's not just like a star rating. You can really see what other people's experience was with each freelancer. And I could see detailed feedback from other creators talking about how their ranking for their videos improved, or to be able to see the amount of subscriber growth that they got. And here's a pro tip. Message the freelancer before you start working with them. And when you talk to them before hiring them, it gives you the chance to ask questions. So asking them what deliverables you'll end up receiving, like once everything is done, and then also any other information that they may need from you. And you can do all that before any money is exchanged. And I really like the transparency on Fiverr. So each freelancer can outline their gig and it'll tell you things that are included in the package, like the turnaround time or things like that. And by allowing that, it makes it so that there's no hidden fees and no surprises. And especially if you're messaging them beforehand, you should know everything up front before you have to pay any money. Now, once the freelancer was hired, the process was pretty seamless. He didn't just give me like generic cookie cutter advice. He actually analyzed my YouTube channel, really like dove deep into the analytics and was able to give me like custom specialized recommendations for my channel. He even recorded like a really detailed walkthrough video going over my entire channel.
And what I noticed, breaking down your videos, understanding what you're all about, people really vibe with you, and you do it right. I mean, I've watched your videos, it's really engaging. And I think it's because you're just so real on camera.
He didn't just like quickly come up with something or give me something generic that I could have like Googled for myself. He gave me like really specific, concrete advice. And so with Fiverr, you're getting like a professional level consultation, but it's all within the flexibility of the Fiverr platform. And what the SEO specialist told me that people really connect most about my channel is me being authentic on camera. So he said that like being genuine on camera is something that a lot of creators apparently struggle with, but that's a strength for me. And so when he said that, I was like, oh, yay. Like it was really encouraging. But that's when the reality hit and he told me the things that I need to work on. So here was like the shocking part for me, even though it shouldn't have been shocking because I'm the one who uploads my videos. But he pointed out that almost all of my videos did not have SEO.
And what was pretty amazing to me was the fact that a lot of your videos didn't have any SEO. I mean, I really mean that, like any, which is okay. I mean, you've done great, you've built a great following, but it just goes to show how successful you're going to do when you ramp up the SEO. Because if we look here, I mean, you're just not hitting search at all.
And he was absolutely right, because I went back and I looked at my videos and I was like, yeah, I don't take the time to put in keywords or tags or anything like that. So he's right about that. And my channel was able to get views and I built like this online audience, but I was completely missing SEO and missing search traffic. So he showed me my analytics and he showed that my videos were actually performing well within browse features. So that means that my videos were already being featured on the YouTube homepage, which is great. And they were also doing well with suggested videos. So if you're like watching YouTube on a desktop, it'll have like the YouTube video and then it'll have like a column of videos beside it. So those are suggested videos and my videos appear there, which is great, but my videos aren't coming up in search. The search traffic, that's what gets you that evergreen long-term viewership on your videos, because when people search for something on YouTube and your videos pop up, that helps you, because even if you made the video a year ago or 2 years ago, people are still watching it because they're still searching for that topic. And this is why I needed the help from Fiverr with an SEO specialist, because YouTube is not a person, it's not a human. It can't just watch your video and automatically know what it's about. You have to tell YouTube what your video is about, and you do that with having proper SEO. The SEO expert literally said you have to spoon feed YouTube the information. And that was my biggest mistake. And who knows, it may be your biggest mistake too. So I was creating good content, but it wasn't helping YouTube understand what my content was about and understanding how to categorize it and who to show it to. So here's what we did to transform my channel. The SEO expert optimized 25 of my videos. I selected which videos I wanted him to improve and I sent them over to him and he optimized all 25. And he put in a lot of detail to each video. So first, he rewrote my titles and he noticed that my personal or like conversational titles tended to perform better. And by conversational, I mean like the ones that sounded like me. Titles that feel more personal tend to get more clicks, and more clicks means more views. The next thing he did was he completely rewrote my descriptions, or rather he wrote descriptions for me because I wasn't writing descriptions beforehand. And that's sad because YouTube literally tells you that when you're uploading a video, that descriptions with keywords help viewers find videos through search. He made sure that each description gave YouTube a clear understanding of my content, and it included the important keywords at the beginning of the description. Then he focused on tags and keywords, and he used a tool called TubeBuddy to help him with that. So each video got its own keyword strategy, and he made sure to use tags that people actually search for. He even optimized my channel keywords. How each video can have keywords, your whole channel in and of itself can have keywords as well. And one of the most valuable insights was about audience focus. So things like my unemployed diary series or financial hacks in general. And his advice to me was to double down on what's working. He told me that I need to label my content clearly. So if I'm making a video about being unemployed, then unemployed needs to be in the title of that video. And that video will be more successful because people are specifically searching for that content. There's also a big emphasis on channel consistency. So I was told that I should focus on finance type content versus just like general vlog type content, at least until I hit 100,000 subscribers. Once I have that like really big audience, then I have a lot more flexibility to create whatever content I want. But while I'm still in a growing stage and I have that goal to hit 100,000, it's better to just stick to my niche. And for me, my niche is around personal finance. And this insight about the algorithm is so important because everything is based on engagement. The click-through rates, the watch time, subscriber growth. Better SEO means that YouTube pushes your content to the right people, and that improves all of those metrics. And this is why Fiverr is such a one-stop shop for all of the digital services you may need for your business. So if you need a thumbnail design, there's an expert for that. If you need video editing, there's someone for that. And you can literally build your whole content team within the Fiverr platform. And I wanted to share the specific tools that we use for this SEO strategy. So I mentioned it before, but we use TubeBuddy for the keyword research and optimization. And this is what helps understand what keywords perform well, and then also how competitive different search terms are. And to keep track of all the updated titles, keywords, descriptions, all those things, he just put everything in a Word doc, and that's how he was able to track everything. And it was a very long Word doc. It was like 40 something pages. So it was very detailed and like very professional. And I want to add like one key lesson about SEO. It is not just keyword stuffing. It's about understanding search intent, to understand what people really mean when they type certain phrases. And also, it's so important, your description, especially the beginning of your description. You want to make sure that you're putting all the keywords in the front part of, or the beginning of your description box, because YouTube gives more weight, gives more importance to the keywords that are at the beginning of your description. Now, the SEO expert that I work with was very honest about expectations because SEO takes time to really show results. But they were confident with the work that they did that I would begin to see results in a few weeks. And as of me recording this video today, it's been about a week or so since the changes were implemented. So stay tuned. So I'll be sharing those results later on. And remember, the goal of this was not just more views, it's the right views. I want people who are genuinely interested in my content. And when they're genuinely interested, that means they'll stick around, they'll subscribe, and they'll engage with the videos. And that's how you build a loyal audience that can grow over time. So better SEO means more search traffic, which improves the overall performance of my channel. And when YouTube sees videos that are performing well in search, it's more likely to suggest those videos to people or have them featured on the homepage. So there you have it. That's my experience with hiring a SEO expert on Fiverr. The biggest takeaway: good content is not enough if people can't find it. You need to help YouTube understand what your videos are about and who should watch them. If you're ready to take your channel to the next level and you need help, I would recommend using Fiverr. Whether you need SEO optimization, video editing, or thumbnail design, Fiverr has the experts that can help you. And what I love most is that there's no long-term commitment. I got the help that I needed when I needed it and at a price that made sense. And if I need more help later, I know exactly where to go. So I'll put the link in my description box, and if you use the code LAN10, you'll get 10% off your first Fiverr order. And as always, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave some comments down below, and I will see you next time.